Nail Trends 2025. Get ready to slay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be discussing the latest nail trends in 2025. Ready to dive into the future of fabulous nails? We're spilling all the tea on the hottest nail trends set to dominate 2025. Get your mani game strong with these must-know colors, shapes, and designs. Mocha and chocolate tones are taking over. Think creamy, opaque nudes with rich brown undertones. Mocha Mousse, Pantone's potential color of the year, is your go-to for a chic, universally flattering look. Baby blue is the new neutral. This soft, dreamy shade evokes spring skies and effortlessly cool denim vibes. It's the perfect pop of color without being too loud. Butter Yellow is here to elevate your nail game. This pastel shade is a sophisticated twist on classic eggshell and white. Prepare for a fresh, sunny vibe. Pinks are having a major moment. From delicate baby pink to playful bubble pink, there's a pink for every mood. Sheer pinks are perfect for French manicures, while bolder pinks make a statement on the tips. Dark shades are making a bold comeback. Deep red, espresso, and navy are ideal for short, rounded nails. These colors offer a polished, sophisticated look that's perfect for any occasion. Soft neutrals are the epitome of understated elegance. Light beige, muted pink, and taupe are gaining popularity. These shades pair beautifully with both minimal and intricate designs. Metallic shades are adding an edgy touch. Chrome and metallic finishes bring a cool, futuristic vibe to your nails. Get ready to shine! Ballerina nails are the epitome of elegance. This slightly squared-off version of the almond shape elongates your fingers. It's a sophisticated choice for any nail length. Almond nails are still in high demand. This elongated shape aligns perfectly with the soft life era. It's a timeless, flattering choice that never goes out of style. Short, rounded nails are making a statement. Complementing dark colors, this shape offers a blend of boldness and a polished look. It's a practical yet stylish choice for everyday wear. Rounded or almond shapes are perfect for achieving the soap nails look. These soft, natural shapes enhance the glossy finish. Get ready for effortlessly chic nails. Subtle elegance is all about understated beauty. Matte top coats over subtle shimmer create a muted, delicate texture. It's the perfect way to add a touch of sophistication to your nails. Minimalist designs are inspired by Japanese beauty principles. Think serene and understated styles, including milk bath nails, pearl effects, and clean, minimal line art. Less is more. Y2K Revival is bringing back daring styles. Metallic finishes, cat eye effects, and glass nails are making a comeback. Embrace the nostalgia and get ready to party like it's 1999. Bold nail art renaissance is here to unleash your creativity. Maximalist styles are making a resurgence. Don't be afraid to go big and bold with your nail art. 3D designs are adding dimension and texture. Raised designs, glued-on baubles and crystals, cascading pearls, and intricate floral or fruit-themed embellishments are all the rage. Get ready for nails that pop. Layered nail art is all about mixing and matching. Combine different textures, colors, patterns, and finishes to create depth and dimension. The possibilities are endless. Metallic accents are adding a touch of glam. Chrome tips, foil details, or full metallic finishes are perfect for adding a cool, edgy vibe. Shine bright like a diamond. Soap nails are the epitome of clean beauty. A soft pink color with an amped-up glossy top coat creates a wet-look finish. It's a simple yet stunning look that's perfect for any occasion. Micro Frenchies are a modern twist on a classic. A super glossy manicure with just the tiniest thread of color on the tips is chic and understated. It's the perfect way to elevate your everyday look. Coquette art is all about bows, ballerina motifs, and blush pinks and whites. Embrace your inner romantic with these sweet and feminine designs. It's a trend that's both playful and elegant. 3D florals are adding a touch of nature to your nails. Sculpted and handcrafted styles, including 3D glass-like flowers and kawaii-style daisies, are blooming everywhere. Get ready for nails that are as beautiful as a bouquet. Ready to rock these nail trends in 2025? Start experimenting with these colors, shapes, and designs to find your signature style. Share your stunning nail creations with us on social media using #NailTrends2025 and inspire other nail enthusiasts. Book your next salon appointment now to get ahead of the curve and be the trendsetter in your circle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and trend updates. Let's make 2025 the year of fabulous nails.